Today, President Draupadi Murmu will be addressing a joint sitting of the 18th Parliament, highlighting the priorities of the Modi Sarkar 3.0. Following her speech, the NDA will also propose a motion of thanks in both houses of Parliament. This will open up debates among MPs, offering them a platform to share their perspectives on the President's address and the government's outlined policies. A day before, Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla strongly condemned the imposition of emergency in 1975 and appreciated those who opposed it. He highlighted the event that will always be remembered as a dark chapter in India's history, as it curtailed democratic values and the freedom of expression. He even requested the members to observe a 2-minute silence. However, there was a lot of din and commotion where Congress members and in the opposition began sloganeering, but the BJP claims that the Congress allies like the TMC, the SP and the DMK did not back the Congress yesterday. Why? Listen in.
माननीय सदस्यगण, ये सदन 1975 में देश में आपातकाल इमरजेंसी लगाने के निर्णय की कड़े शब्दों में निंदा करता है। भारत के इतिहास में 25 जून 1975 के उस दिन को हम हमेशा काले अध्याय के रूप में जाना जाएगा। इमरजेंसी के इस काले खंड में कांग्रेस की तानाशाह सरकार के हाथों अपनी जान गंवाने वाले भारत के ऐसे कर्तव्यनिष्ठ और देश में प्रेम करने वाले नागरिकों की स्मृति में हम सब 2 मिनट का मौन रखते हैं। ओम शांति।
जब माननीय ओम बिड़ला जी ने कहा कि जो लोग जेल गए थे और जिन परिवारों की क्षति हुई, जिन लोगों ने दूसरे स्वतंत्रता के युद्ध में भारत को स्वतंत्रता दिलाया, उन सब परिवारों के प्रति हम संवेदनशीलता दिखाएंगे। उनके लिए 2 मिनट के लिए मौन रखते हुए खड़े होंगे और उनके लिए प्रार्थना करेंगे। तो आप देखिए, कांग्रेस के लोग, कांग्रेस के सदस्य जो लगभग वेल तक आ गए थे, वो तभी भी हुड़दंग मचा रहे थे, चिल्ला रहे थे, नारेबाजी कर रहे थे, मगर समाजवादी पार्टी के लोग खड़े थे, टीएमसी के लोग शांति से खड़े थे, डीएमके के लोग खड़े थे। इन सब को खड़े देख राहुल गांधी को भी अंततोगत्वा खड़ा होना ही पड़ा।
आज इमरजेंसी को जितना संविधान की धज्जियां उड़ाई गई, दुनिया के इतिहास में, भारत के इतिहास में इस तरह से धज्जियां नहीं कभी उड़ी हो। और उस सदन में कई पार्टियों के नेता थे बैठे, जिनमें नैतिकता नहीं थी, भले ही वो विपक्ष में हो कांग्रेस के साथ। जैसे अखिलेश यादव थे, उनके पिताजी जेल में थे, डीएमके कांजी मोहन जी थी, उनकी पार्टी डिसमिस हो गई थी। लालू जी की पार्टी आरजेडी, उनकी बेटी का नाम ही मीसा है, तो मीसा में बंद थे।
Meanwhile, the Congress leaders have voiced their criticism over Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla's remarks, stating that the issue raised was not previously discussed in the House. They described the Speaker's approach as a confrontational one, sparking debate over parliamentary procedure and decorum.
And then what we saw was the Speaker, unfortunately, really discussing a matter, raising a matter that had not been discussed in the House, and in a manner that frankly came across as confrontational, which was not the right note on which to start the session. But we will have to see how things proceed.
All right, those were the reactions that are coming in on part of the opposition side, because many of them, as the BJP, according to them, that all of the opposition did not participate when it comes to raising slogans, what the Congress party seems to be doing, opposing when it comes to the mentioning of the resolution that was adopted yesterday in Parliament, also talking about the dark days and remembering now 50 years ago when emergency was imposed, and this very constitution that the Congress party seems to partake, saying that they will save it and not let anyone tamper with it. The same Congress party, while it was ruling back in 1975, had trampled the constitution and the free freedom of the people with their fundamental rights. Shivani continues to be with us. Shivani, a lot of, as far as when it comes to different opinions that are coming in, even on part of the opposition. Yesterday, when this resolution was taken up, the opposition, when Om Birla was speaking, we heard a lot of commotion and din while the matter was taken up and while a 2-minute silence was also being observed.
Amita, see, Congress seems to be in a dilemma over this motion that has been passed in the House by Om Birla over emergency. And you see that when yesterday in the Parliament this motion was passed, there was a lot of commotion, but yet Samajwadi Party leader Akhilesh Yadav, TMC leaders and other opposition allies who are with the Congress, they have supported this motion. And Rahul Gandhi, because he happens to be the LOP, it was his first day as LOP yesterday in the Parliament, he had to stand and he had to accept that motion. But there's a big question in this. What will the Congress do today? Will it voice its concerns about how the motion has been passed in the Parliament on emergency? And we also must understand, Amita, why this motion on emergency has been brought. Because, you know, the Congress has been bringing constitution copies and it has been claiming it's the defender of the constitution. So BJP has now decided to once again tell the people what happened in the time of emergency when then Prime Minister Indira Gandhi had imposed emergency forcefully on the people, and what happened to the constitution then. So this is the kind of decision that has been brought by the BJP, and Congress happens to be in the dilemma and a lot of embarrassment too, because its own allies are in
absolutely, and especially for Rahul Gandhi, as the first day of the leader of opposition, this resolution was taken up that was imposed by his own late grandmother and the former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi. For the moment, thank you very much, Shivani, for joining in. Let's in the meantime talk about the victims as well, because who can oversee the testimonies by those who have survived and who have seen emergency through their own eyes? To give you more sense, Times Now also had a word with some of the victims who have narrated what they went through during that period that went on for several months.
कोई भी व्यक्ति उठकर जब प्राइम मिनिस्टर को गाली देता है, प्राइम मिनिस्टर के लिए अपशब्द निकालता है, मुझे समझ नहीं आती कि ये कौन सा संविधान खतरे में है। तब तो ये था कि एक छोटे छोटे बच्चे जिस पर भी ये शक होता था, ये सामाजिक कार्यकर्ता है।
आपकी उम्र कितनी थी?
17 साल।
17 साल।
और 17 साल की उम्र में सीआईडी हमारे पीछे कदम कदम पर रहती थी। संविधान खतरे में आज बोल सकते हैं, शरेआम बोलते हैं, स्टेज पर बोलते हैं, टीवी चैनलों पर बोलते हैं। जब खतरे में था तब आप अकेले कोने में भी नहीं बोल सकते थे।
ऐसे हालात बन गए थे तो हम कोई भी जो हमारे पेरेंट्स है दूसरे, वो कहते थे कि हमारे बच्चे आएंगे बाहर के नहीं आए, ऐसी सोच बन गई थी, ऐसे हालात बन गए थे।
वापस 19 महीनों के बाद गए तो क्या था घर पे रिएक्शन?
जितनी आज आजादी है इस वक्त कभी नहीं हुई। ये जो ड्रामेबाजी कर रहे हैं, ये तो समाज को गलत दिशा में ले जा रहे हैं, समाज को गलत मैसेज दे रहे हैं। संविधान की जितनी रक्षा आज, जितनी आजादी आज है, कभी इतनी आजादी नहीं हुई।
ऐसी कोई इमरजेंसी नहीं है। अब तो इतनी स्वतंत्रता है कि कई बार आक्रोश होता है कि ऐसे जो लोग हैं, ऐसे लोग जो देशद्रोही हैं, उनकी सजा होनी चाहिए, वो अंदर होने चाहिए बल्कि।
Well, those are the victims there who are recounting the horror, the ordeal that they went through when the emergency was imposed back in 1975. Well,